The facade is the face of a building, but in modern architecture, it's become so much more. It's the building's skin, its lungs, its power plant, and its communication system. We've moved far beyond the passive glass box. Today's most exciting facades are active, layered, and intelligent, responding to the sun, the wind, and the people inside. They're not just about looking good, they're about performing brilliantly. So what are the big ideas shaping the next generation of building skins? Let's explore the concepts that are turning facades into high-performance machines. First, the concept of the responsive or kinetic facade. This is architecture that moves. Imagine thousands of individual aluminum or glass fins, each mounted on a tiny motor, that open and close like feathers in response to the sun's path. As the sun moves, the facade continuously adjusts, optimizing daylight while eliminating glare and solar heat gain. Systems like this, seen on buildings like the Al Bar Towers in Abu Dhabi, use sun-tracking software to choreograph the movement. It's not just high-tech spectacle. It's a radically efficient way to manage a building's energy load, reducing cooling demand by up to 50%. A pro tip from facade engineers: the key to a successful kinetic system is robustness and maintenance. Designing for 30 years of daily movement requires incredibly durable components and a clear plan for access and repair. Second, the integrated energy-generating facade. Here, the skin becomes a vertical power plant. This goes beyond slapping panels on a roof. We're talking about building integrated photovoltaics, BPV photovoltaic cells embedded in spandrel glass, laminated into vision glass, or formed into opaque insulated panels that look like stone or metal. These systems generate clean electricity while performing as weatherproof cladding. New technologies like solar skin films and perovskite solar cells promise even more flexibility and transparency. The facade no longer consumes energy, it produces it. Third, the biophilic and breathing facade. This is the literal greening of our cities. Living walls or vertical gardens are integrated hydroponic systems that grow plants directly on the facade. They provide insulation, reduce the urban heat island effect, improve air quality, and create a profound biophilic connection for occupants. A more advanced concept is the breathing wall or double-skin facade. This is essentially a building wearing a raincoat. An outer glazed layer and an inner insulated layer create a cavity. This cavity acts as a thermal buffer in winter and, with automated vents, a solar chimney for exhaust in summer, facilitating natural ventilation. It's a dynamic, climate-responsive membrane. Fourth, the textured and sculptural rain screen. This is where materiality and fabrication shine. Using parametric design, facades can be crafted from thousands of unique, digitally fabricated pieces. Think of 3D printed ceramic units that create intricate light-filtering screens, or folded and perforated metal panels that create mesmerizing moire patterns as you walk past. Materials like terracotta are having a renaissance, used in modern, modular louvre systems that provide shade, texture, and timeless warmth. These facades create depth, shadow, and a tactile quality that flat glass can never achieve. In essence, the modern facade is a multifunctional filter. It filters light, heat, air, water, and even views. The best designs seamlessly weave together several of these ideas. Perhaps a fixed terracotta brise-soleil for shading, with BPV spandrels, and a green wall at the podium. The goal is a facade that is beautiful, responsible, and deeply connected to its place and purpose.